Hey, this is Brian from Survival on Purpose coming to you with a quick reminder that tomorrow, September the 1st, 2023, the folks at Excess Sites are kicking off their big 25% off site-wide sale for Labor Day. The sale is going to run from September the 1st through September the 8th, 2023, and you can save 25% off everything at Excess Sites. And just to tell you that I'm a firm believer in Excess Sites, this is my Glock 43. Yep, Excess Sites. My Glock 43X. Yep, Excess Sites. My Glock 48. Yep, Excess Sites. The Glock 19 I carry every single day. Yep, you guessed it, Excess Sites. And my Glock 26 backup pistol. Once again, Excess Sites. And these are the Excess Sites that are about to go on my wife's Shield EZ. Excess Sights are absolutely the fastest, quickest sights to get on target that I have ever used. They are very, very robust, made in the USA, all metal sights, just absolutely great sights. They make sights for all kinds of pistols, not just Glocks. And again, you can save 25% off site-wide at Excess Sights from September the 1st through September the 8th, 2023. So if you want to get the best deal on the best sights I've ever used, go to Excess Sights from September the 1st through September the 8th, 2023 and save 25%. Because survival is not an accident. Be prepared. I'll see you next time.